These are 25 next-level gadgets that are taking the internet by storm. Some are unbelievably clever, others are surprisingly useful, and a few will make you wonder why you didn't buy them sooner. Don't skip. The best ones are saved for the end. 1. Multi-purpose linear actuator motor. This isn't an ordinary little motor. It's incredibly versatile. It converts rotary motion into linear motion, and when connected to a speed controller, you can easily adjust how fast or slow it moves. It's perfect for DIY projects like automatic fish feeders, massage devices, aquarium equipment, and many other creative uses around the home. 2. Quick wire connector. Finally found it. This is a quick wire connector. Just insert the wires and press down the locking clip for a fast, secure connection. It works with both solid and stranded wires, making wiring jobs quick, reliable, and convenient. 3. 304. Stainless steel float valve. This is the stainless steel float valve everyone has been looking for. Made from durable 304 stainless steel, it's ideal for water tanks and storage tanks. Once installed, it automatically shuts off the water when the desired level is reached. The water level is adjustable, making it a simple solution to prevent overflow. 4. Male and female electrical connector plug. Finally found it. These are male and female electrical connectors. They're perfect for replacing damaged power connectors on electric bikes, rice cookers, and other appliances. The pure copper contacts provide excellent conductivity with a secure connection, and they're affordable too. 5. Buffalo metal ashtray. Finally found it. This buffalo-shaped metal ashtray is built from sturdy metal for long-lasting durability. Simply open the lid while smoking, drop the ash and cigarette butts inside, then close it to prevent ashes from blowing around. It also makes a stylish decorative piece. 6. Stainless steel dumpling wrapper press. Finally found it. This dumpling wrapper press is made from food-grade stainless steel. It's perfect for pressing dumpling wrappers, scallion pancakes, flatbreads, and more, making kitchen work much easier. 7. Electric water sprayer. Watering plants and spraying pesticides is now much easier with this electric sprayer. Just screw it onto a regular plastic bottle and it's ready to use. It produces a fine mist, and the rotating nozzle lets you switch between different spray patterns. It's perfect for gardening and growing vegetables or flowers. 8. Stainless steel fishing net. Finally found it. This stainless steel fishing net features a fine mesh that can catch fish, shrimp, crabs, and other small aquatic animals. The handle is solid and reinforced for extra strength, making it great for fishing in streams or at the beach. 9. Heat-resistant lamp holder socket. This is the lamp holder you've been looking for. The heat-resistant housing is durable, while the inside features pure copper terminals for reliable electrical performance. It's suitable for heat lamps on farms as well as lighting in yards, hallways, staircases, and bedrooms. 10. All-metal air chuck. This is the all-metal air chuck you've been looking for. Unlike plastic versions that crack easily, this metal chuck is much stronger, more durable, and inflates tires faster. 11. 304 stainless steel pull handle. Finally found it. This 304 stainless steel handle is rust-resistant, strong, and built to last. It's perfect for cabinet doors, toolboxes, suitcases, and many other applications, and it's very affordable. 12. 360-degree rotating safety snap hook. Finally found it. This heavy-duty 360-degree rotating safety snap hook is thickened and reinforced with a fully enclosed design to prevent accidental release. It's suitable for securing dogs, goats, cattle, and more, while remaining affordable and dependable. 13. Piezo lighter igniter. This is the copper wire piezo lighter igniter you've been searching for. Made from copper wire and piezoelectric ceramic, it offers stable, high-temperature performance. It's compatible with most common lighters, making replacement quick and easy. 14. All-metal woodworking hand plane. This is the all-metal woodworking hand plane you've been looking for. The cutting depth is adjustable with the rotating knob, and the hardened blades are heat-treated for long-lasting sharpness. It's ideal for both professional carpenters and DIY users. 15. Stainless steel grain scoop. Finally found it. This stainless steel scoop is made from heavy-duty stainless steel that won't bend, rust, or deform. The joints are laser-welded for strength and a clean finish. It's perfect for scooping grains, peanuts, corn, and other bulk foods. 16. Replaceable blade hand saw. Finally found it. This hand saw features replaceable blades. Simply release the locking clip, swap the blade, and lock it back in place. The SK5 steel blades are durable, and it comes with 2 interchangeable blades plus a storage case for easy carrying. 17. Universal wooden thermos stopper. This is the universal wooden stopper for thermos bottles you've been looking for. Made from premium natural wood, it resists mold and odors, provides excellent insulation, and features a heat-resistant design that's safe to handle. all at an affordable price. 18. Multifunction weeding knife. For easier weed removal, try this multifunctional weeding knife. It's made from high-hardness steel with a non-slip wooden handle, making it ideal for cleaning weeds from brick joints, wall cracks, and other tight spaces quickly and effectively. 19. 304. Stainless steel thermos bottle stopper. Finally found it. This 304 stainless steel thermos bottle stopper features food-grade silicone that's odor-free, environmentally friendly, and provides an excellent airtight seal, all at a budget-friendly price. 20. 16A one-touch rotating power plug. Finally found it. Just squeeze gently and the plug pops out automatically. It can be operated with one hand, the plug pins rotate, and it's compatible with both 2-pin and 3-pin outlets. Rated at 16 amps, it's suitable for a wide range of household appliances. 21. Indoor and outdoor temperature and humidity meter. This is the indoor and outdoor temperature and humidity meter you've been looking for. It measures both temperature and humidity, making it ideal for baby rooms, greenhouses, homes, and many other environments. It's practical, accurate, and affordable. 22. Reusable mousetrap. Finally invented, this mousetrap is specially designed to catch rodents. Simply place a peanut in the center, lock the trap, and when the mouse tries to take the bait, it snaps shut instantly. 23. Heavy-duty multi-function hook. This is the multifunctional hook you've been searching for. Made from thick manganese steel, it's perfect for logging, pulling, clearing weeds, hooking tree branches, carrying firewood, and many other outdoor tasks. 24. Titanium self-defense tool. If you often walk at night, carrying this self-defense tool can give you extra peace of mind. Made from titanium alloy with a rope-wrapped grip that won't hurt your hand, it's a practical safety item to keep at home or in your vehicle. 25. Socket fan with adjustable head. This is a socket with a built-in fan that every household can use. It's especially useful in hot kitchens, bathrooms, and other stuffy spaces. The fan angle is adjustable. It features a one-button power switch, delivers strong airflow, and is surprisingly affordable.